Canada faces a critical decision that will shape its defense strategy for decades to come. The nation must choose its next-generation fighter jet, a decision that involves complex considerations. For years, the F-35 seemed like the only option, promising advanced capabilities and cutting-edge technology. But now, the winds of change are blowing. Canada is reconsidering its options in light of new developments. Rising costs and the need for fleet diversification have sparked a reassessment of the F-35's viability. This has opened the door for other contenders, each bringing unique strengths to the table. One such contender is Saab's Gripen E, a fighter jet known for its agility and advanced systems. This agile and advanced fighter jet is capturing Canada's attention with its impressive performance. The F-35 program has been plagued by delays and cost overruns, causing frustration and concern. This has given Canada pause, prompting a deeper evaluation of its defense needs. The government is now looking for a more cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on capability. Additionally, relying solely on one type of aircraft can make a fleet vulnerable to unforeseen issues. Canada seeks a more balanced approach, integrating multiple aircraft types for greater flexibility. The Gripen E, with its proven track record and attractive features, offers a compelling alternative to the F-35. Could this be the start of a new chapter in Canada's defense strategy, one that embraces innovation and practicality? The stakes are high, and the world is watching closely as Canada makes its pivotal decision. Enter the Gripen E. This Swedish-made fighter jet boasts cutting-edge technology. It's also renowned for its cost-effectiveness. Saab, the manufacturer, has a compelling proposition for Canada. They offer full technology transfer and local assembly. This means jobs for Canadians. It also means a boost to the Canadian economy. Saab is proposing to establish key Gripen support centers across Canada. This demonstrates their commitment to long-term partnership. The Gripen E is not just a fighter jet, it's a comprehensive defense solution. Saab's offer goes beyond the aircraft itself. It encompasses training, maintenance, and technological collaboration. This holistic approach aligns perfectly with Canada's needs. The Gripen E is designed for the challenges of modern warfare. Its advanced sensor suite and network-centric capabilities make it a formidable force multiplier. The jet's ability to operate from dispersed locations and austere airfields aligns with Canada's vast geography. In an era of tight defense budgets, cost-effectiveness is paramount. This is where the Gripen E truly shines. It boasts significantly lower acquisition and operating costs compared to its competitors. The Gripen E's efficiency is not just about the initial price tag. Its lower operating costs translate into long-term savings. This allows for more flight hours, better training, and enhanced readiness. Saab understands the importance of sustainability. The Gripen E is designed with a focus on maintainability and logistical simplicity. This reduces downtime and keeps life cycle costs in check. The Gripen E's cost-effectiveness doesn't come at the expense of capability. It's a testament to Saab's innovative engineering and commitment to affordability. By choosing the Gripen E, Canada can maximize its defense investment and ensure value for money. Saab's proposal goes beyond simply supplying fighter jets. They offer a true partnership with Canada. Technology transfer is a key pillar of this partnership. Saab is committed to sharing knowledge and expertise with Canadian industry. This will empower Canadian companies to play a leading role in the Gripen E program. The benefits are manifold. Local assembly and maintenance will create thousands of high-skilled jobs. This will inject billions of dollars into the Canadian economy. Moreover, technology transfer will foster innovation and technological advancement within Canada's aerospace and defense sector. This will have ripple effects across various industries, boosting Canada's overall competitiveness. Saab's commitment to industrial offsets ensures that a significant portion of the contract value is reinvested in Canada. This includes investments in research and development, education, and skills training. By choosing the Gripen E, Canada is not just acquiring a fighter jet, it's investing in its future. Section 5. Made for Canada. The proposed Gripen support network. Saab has a vision for Canada, a vision that extends beyond the fighter jet itself. This vision encompasses a robust support network designed to ensure the Gripen E fleet operates at peak efficiency. They propose a network of specialized Gripen support centers across the country, strategically located to maximize coverage and efficiency. These centers will serve as hubs for maintenance, training, and technological collaboration, ensuring that every aspect of the Gripen E's operation is covered. Each center will focus on a specific area of expertise, from mechanical maintenance to advanced avionics. This ensures a comprehensive and integrated approach to supporting the Gripen E fleet, making sure that all systems work seamlessly together. In Montreal, the Gripen Center will manage the entire fleet, overseeing operations and ensuring optimal performance. Toronto will house the Cyber Resilience Center, focusing on cybersecurity and electronic warfare, protecting the fleet from digital threats. Vancouver will be home to the Sensor Center, specializing in sensor technology and data analysis crucial for modern combat scenarios. And back in Montreal, the Aerospace R&D Center will drive innovation in areas such as unmanned aerial systems, artificial intelligence, and sustainable aviation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This distributed network leverages Canada's existing strengths in aerospace and defense, creating a synergy that benefits both the military and the industry. It ensures that the Gripen E fleet remains mission-ready and at the forefront of technological advancement, prepared to meet any challenge that comes its way. Section 6. A global shift, the Gripen E's growing appeal. Canada is not alone in its interest in the Gripen E. The fighter jet is gaining traction globally. Portugal, facing similar defense challenges, is also in talks with Saab. The Gripen E's cost-effectiveness and technological prowess are proving to be a winning combination. This growing interest in the Gripen E reflects a broader trend. Countries are seeking alternatives to traditional defense suppliers. They want more cost-effective and flexible solutions. Saab's success in the Czech Republic and Hungary demonstrates the Gripen E's appeal. These countries have already experienced the benefits of operating the Gripen. They are a testament to Saab's commitment to partnership and technology transfer. The Gripen E's rise could signal a shift in NATO procurement trends. As more countries prioritize affordability and industrial cooperation, the Gripen E is well positioned to capture a significant share of the global fighter jet market. Section 7, Gripen E versus the competition, a balanced comparison. The Gripen E is not without competition. In fact, it stands against some of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. It faces formidable rivals in the global fighter jet market, each bringing unique strengths and capabilities to the table. The F-35, despite its challenges, remains a technologically advanced aircraft. Its stealth features and cutting-edge avionics make it a formidable opponent. However, its high costs and complex logistics pose significant hurdles for many countries, making it less accessible. The Eurofighter Typhoon, another contender, offers impressive capabilities but comes with a hefty price tag. Its performance in air superiority roles is well regarded. The Gripen E's strength lies in its balance. It is designed to be a versatile and adaptable platform. It offers a compelling combination of advanced capabilities, cost-effectiveness, and flexibility. Its state-of-the-art avionics and radar systems are on par with the best. Its ability to operate from short runways and austere airfields makes it ideal for countries with limited infrastructure. This operational flexibility is a significant advantage. The Gripen E's open architecture allows for seamless integration of new weapons and systems, ensuring its relevance for decades to come. This future-proofing is crucial in modern warfare. While the Gripen E may not excel in every single category, its overall package makes it a highly attractive option for countries seeking a modern, capable, and affordable fighter jet. Its versatility and cost-effectiveness are hard to match. Section 8. The future of Canada's fighter fleet. A defining moment. Canada stands at a crossroads. The decision on its next-generation fighter jet will have far-reaching consequences. The choice between the Gripen E and the F-35 is not simply about aircraft, it's about strategic priorities, economic considerations, and industrial partnerships. Choosing the Gripen E would be a bold move. It would signal a departure from traditional procurement patterns and a commitment to a more independent and self-reliant defense posture. The Gripen E would provide Canada with a highly capable and cost-effective fighter fleet, tailored to its specific needs. It would also strengthen Canada's industrial base, create jobs, and foster innovation. The decision is not without its challenges. There will be pressure to align with traditional allies and maintain interoperability. However, Canada must prioritize its own national interests and make the choice that best serves its long-term security and prosperity. Section 9. A new era in defense procurement, global implications. Canada's fighter jet dilemma is a microcosm of a larger trend. The global defense landscape is changing. Countries are no longer content with off-the-shelf solutions from traditional suppliers. They are demanding more for their money. They want greater control over their defense capabilities. They want partnerships that benefit their economies and industries. The Gripen E's emergence as a serious contender is a testament to this changing landscape. It represents a new breed of fighter jet, a jet that prioritizes affordability, flexibility, and industrial cooperation. Canada's decision, whatever it may be, will have ripple effects across the globe. It could embolden other countries to challenge the status quo and seek out alternative solutions that better meet their needs. The future of defense procurement is evolving, and the Gripen E is at the forefront of this evolution.